Hello, thanks for joining us for our video showcasing improvements within Vertex BD 2025 to our profiles system. These now reside within the library user interface and no longer are they in their own separate databases. If we navigate to Libraries, System Libraries, and then Materials, within here, in the latest version of BD, we added Sheets and Insulation materials, but now we also have profiles available here as well. So why did we make this change? Having profiles here enables much quicker and easier access to utilize profiles. You have a much more streamlined process to activating or deactivating profile libraries as required for your building projects. For example, from here, we can highlight all libraries and deactivate them with ease now. This enables us to quickly reactivate a few libraries should we require, which enables better ease of browsing when only working with a few specific libraries and not all. We can filter the active column to show our active libraries at the top of the list here too. These new changes make it not only very quick and easy to tailor the libraries as required per building you work on, but also very quick and easy to revert to the default view of all libraries being available if needed. With us having activated only the profiles we required, let's take a look at what it now looks like when you add your desired profiles. Now when we go to the Modeling tab and Profiles, as you can see when we select the library drop-down, we have only the two libraries that we activated and the rest are hidden as required. Let's go back to our profiles library. It's very easy for you to now make changes and make custom profiles and profile libraries as you require for your buildings. Simply select the profiles you would like to amend or use as a template to create new ones from, and right-click and select Copy to New Custom Library. You can add your own name for your new custom library, and once you press OK, this will be available for you to utilize or further amend for your needs. As you can see, now if we go back to add a profile to our building, our newly created custom library is also available for us to choose from via the drop-down menu. Now when you have a building activated within BD and go into the system libraries, the same functionality works with sheets for building libraries too. As you can see, you can select your required sheets and then copy those to their own custom new building library. We can again give it its own name, and now we have within this building a new custom profile library containing just our required profiles. The benefit to doing this is that you won't make any changes to the core custom libraries. This is because when you go to activate your new building, you can't see a custom profile library that you just made for another building. This streamlines working on projects where you may use only a few or many profiles, whilst also protecting your core profiles or specific customization from ever being inadvertently amended or lost. Lastly, let's take a look at amending our custom profile properties. If we go back to the library window and navigate to our custom library we created previously, when we right-click the library itself in the browser, we can select to edit the library and edit the profile library straight from here now, with a multitude of options. From here we can amend our profiles and profile library as we have in the previous version if required. These changes we have made to BD in terms of profile libraries enable customizing your profiles and profile libraries to be much quicker, more streamlined, and far easier to maintain for your building projects and business requirements.